Hello everyone, my name is Matthew, and this is Learn the Lingo. Welcome to Lesson 38 of Hebrew Basics, a series where we learn the essentials of Hebrew grammar. Today, we're going to learn how to make negative commands in Hebrew. But first, let's learn how to make positive commands from hollow roots. In our last lesson, we learned that the masculine singular form of the imperative is the same as certain forms of the future tense, just without the prefix. The future tense verb yarutz, for example, means he will run. The yod prefix makes the subject he and the tense future. Removing this prefix, we are left with roots, which is the masculine singular form of the imperative run. The feminine singular imperative is made from the masculine singular by adding e. So run, ordering a woman, is rutsi. The masculine plural form is made with the ending u. So to order a masculine plural group run, we say rutsu. These two forms don't change the vowel of the masculine singular form with hollow roots. The feminine plural form of the imperative is going to have the same vowels as the form of the future tense used for the subjects aten, you feminine plural, and hein, they in feminine form. In this case, that form is tarotsna. You will run feminine plural, or they will run in feminine form. Taking off the tov prefix, we're left with rotsna, which means run, ordering a group of women. Let's also make the masculine singular command sing from yashir, he will sing. We take off the yod prefix to make shir, sing masculine singular. You use shiri to order a woman to sing, and shiru to order a group of men or a mixed group to sing. The future tense verb tasherna means you will sing feminine plural, or they will sing in feminine form. Removing the tov prefix, we get sherna, sing, ordering a group of women. Now, let's see how to make negative commands in Hebrew. An important word to know for these is al, spelled with aleph, which means don't. To make a negative command in Hebrew, we first say al, and then a verb in the future tense. Negative commands don't use the imperative form, but the future tense. So to say don't run, speaking to a man, we say al, and instead of the imperative roots, we will use the ata, you masculine singular, form of the future tense, which is tarutz, with the tav prefix. Al tarutz, don't run. Al tarutz. To order a woman, don't run, we use the at, you feminine singular, form of the future tense, tarutzi, with the tav prefix and e ending. Al tarutzi, don't run, feminine singular. For a masculine plural group, don't run will be al tarutsu, with the future tense in the form for the subject atem, you masculine plural. And for a feminine plural group, al tarotsna, with the future tense in the form for aten, you feminine plural. Getting back to affirmative or positive commands, let's see the four forms of the command choose. The future tense verb he will choose is yivchad, which has a patach on the second root letter instead of a cholam. This happens when the second root letter is an aleph, ein, hey, or in this case, chet. Removing the yod prefix, we get bachad, which is the masculine singular command choose. We can add na to this to get bacharna, the feminine plural command choose. When we add an e or u ending to a masculine singular command, its vowels are supposed to change to a hirik and shva. But when the second root letter is aleph, ein, chet, or hey, that would be putting a shva under one of these letters, which cannot take a shva as the second letter of a syllable. So instead, this vowel will be a patach shva. This patach shva makes the hirik before it also change, this time into a patach. Once these vowels are changed, we can then add an e ending to make bachari, choose feminine singular, or an u ending to make bacharu, choose masculine plural. To end today, let's see how commands look when the third root letter is he. The verb yir'e means he will see, from the root resh, aleph, he. The masculine singular command is usually made by just removing the prefix from a future tense verb like this one. But with roots ending with he, we also must change the segol under the second root letter to itzere. That gives us ra'e, which is how to order a man, see. When adding an e or u ending to a masculine singular command ending with he, we first remove that he and the tsere before it. Then we add e to make ra'i, see, commanding a woman, or add u to make ra'u, see, commanding a masculine plural group. We've seen before that the future tense verb you will see feminine plural or they will see in feminine form is tir'ena, which has replaced the he with a yod. To make the feminine plural command of roots ending with he, we can just remove the t prefix from this form of the future tense to make ra'ena, see, commanding a group of women. And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you want to learn more Hebrew, please consider subscribing to my channel and checking out some of my other videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.